Alright, let's get straight to the point. We're putting 3 top VPNs for web browsing under the microscope, and we've got just 3 minutes to find the perfect one for your daily internet escapes. Let's dive in. First, what do NordVPN, PIA, and IPVanish all get right for web browsing? They've got the essentials on lock. We're talking military-grade encryption, so your personal info and passwords stay safe from snoopers. They all include a kill switch, which instantly cuts your internet if the VPN fails, so you never accidentally browse unprotected. And they've all had their no-logs policies verified, meaning they don't track the websites you visit. But the places where they differ, that's what really matters for web browsing. Let's break it down. NordVPN is the best VPN for browsing because of its speed and features. It uses a huge network of RAM-only servers, which means your data is wiped clean with every reboot, a major plus for privacy. Another great feature is threat protection. It blocks ads and malicious sites that could be loaded with tracking scripts or scams, even when the VPN is off. It also has a cool tool called MeshNet, letting you connect securely with friends or family for safe sharing. The one small negative, a limit of 10 devices at a time. Now, that device limit is a non-issue with both private internet access and IPVanish. They give you unlimited simultaneous connections, so you can run it on your PC, phone, tablet, and more all at once. But PIA's biggest strength is its radical transparency. It's the only one here with fully open source software, so any security-conscious web user can check their code for backdoors. And here's the clincher. Their no-logs claim has been challenged in court and held up. That's more than a pledge. It's been put to the test. Then we have IPVanish, the totally independent operator. It's special sauce. It owns and operates its entire server infrastructure. No middlemen. They have full control over all their equipment, which means a more stable connection for you. And for anyone dealing with slow or unstable browsing, it provides a SOCKS 5 proxy for potentially faster, more direct connections. Just keep in mind, you trade off a layer of encryption when using that proxy option. Okay, ready for the big question. Which one is fastest for web browsing? NordVPN is the clear winner in raw speed, powered by its custom NordLynx technology. This means faster page loads and smoother streaming. IPVanish is a very close second, delivering impressive and steady speed using the WireGuard protocol. Private internet access is a bit less predictable. It can be quick, but our tests found its performance can vary, with speed sometimes dipping depending on the server you pick. So, which VPN should you choose? Here's a simple guide. Choose NordVPN if browsing speed is your top priority, you want to dodge trackers seamlessly, or you want the best all-around VPN with the most privacy features. Go with IPVanish if you have a ton of devices or a whole household that needs secure browsing. Its unlimited connections and self-run servers offer incredible value. And finally, pick PIA if you're on a budget or a privacy-focused user who needs evidence to back up claims. Its open-source apps and proven no-logs record are truly unique. And that's it. We're all out of time. So if you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe, and let me know in the comments which VPN you're running for your web browsing. See you soon.